Hello everyone, welcome back to VK7. Today we're unboxing and setting up this tiny, useful little gadget, the Esports AE600B wireless USB adapter. Here it is, pretty clean packaging. It's a compact USB adapter that gives you both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for your PC or laptop. On the back you get some quick info. It supports dual band 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi up to 600 megabits per second, supports Bluetooth 4.2, and also comes with WEP encryption security as well. It's currently available on Amazon. You can directly check out the link in the description. For this price, it's a great value deal. So let's quickly open it up. You can also see its size. It's mini. You can plug and play it and use it on any PC easily. You can see the Wi-Fi 5 with Bluetooth and the brand logo. The quality is also good. The setup process is so simple. It's not even complicated like installing drivers or other things. This adapter already comes with inbuilt driver files, so you don't need to worry about it. So let me show you. Let's power on the PC. Now plug it into the port. On PC, open this PC. Here it's detected as a CD drive. Right-click on it to install the Wi-Fi auto installer setup. Now install the driver. It's not that complicated like others. It's very simple. So now we're ready. The adapter now blinks the LED. Alright, now let's go to network settings. And there we go. It's detected the nearby networks. I'll simply connect to my Wi-Fi. It even detected the 5G band as well. Okay, it's connected. Let's also check the Bluetooth. And there we go. It's working. The devices got detected and it's based on Bluetooth 4.2 version, which is kind of okay. Now let's check out the network speed. Alright, it's working fine. I'll also connect to my Wi-Fi 5 device, and yes, it's working. This adapter also supports an inbuilt hotspot, so you can use it to give access to other devices. Now let's play this video in 4K connected via Wi-Fi 5. And it works really well. So yeah, that's the Esports AE600B, a simple and affordable Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth adapter that just works. For the price, it's definitely worth it if you want to upgrade your PC's connectivity. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to VK7 Tech, and I'll see you in the next one.